let's try this. I know you might be thinking, why the hell on earth you want to learn nunchucks at this age? Simple. It was my childhood dream. I want to learn it for a very long time, and I watched it in a Bruce Lee's movie, and it looked really cool. I'm not going to give more than 3 days to learn this new skill, and so I want you to watch this video. So if you have come to watch this video, see you till the end of the video. On day one, I tried learning this skill with the real nunchucks, the stainless steel nunchucks. I know it is very hard, and I learned my lesson. So I bought these rubber padded ones. They are very much helpful. Even if it hurts your body, it does not break your bones. So make sure if you're learning, try to learn with the padded ones or the rubber ones. That is made like a toy. It's made for kids. You can also try because you're also learning new. By the end of the video, I want to be able to play with nunchucks like the professionals do, like the pros do, and I don't attack. My intention is not to attack anybody. Just learn few skills, and this is the one skill that I'm talking about. I want to learn this and few more techniques. So I started my day with learning few easy moves, easy and compulsory moves that will make nunchucks really handy in your hand. Started practicing this nunchuck moves, the basic moves, day and night in front of the TV, while drinking tea, while sleeping, while playing, while doing everything. I started playing, and then I just wanted to master a few techniques. That's it. And once I got used to play with the padded one, the plastic one, and plastic nunchucks, now you can see me how confident I am with the stainless one. Even though it is hitting my body, I'm able to technically take the paint and take in such a way that it doesn't hurt me at all. So one of these attacking one which I was practicing, and then I was through that, and the other one which you take behind your body, that is the one which I was making. So you're supposed to take just behind your hands. So that is how I was supposed to do. If you're practicing the same thing, make sure that you follow what I did. That I will have to practice the basics one, how to rotate and put it to your head. So that is what I'm practicing now. So once you got differently used to it, you can see the difference at the end of the video. Here you can see this is the technique that is most needed, and this is the only one. If you're practicing for at least few hours, maybe for a few days, if you really want to take nunchucks to a next level, if you're practicing for a few days, you're through. You can do it. By the way, this is my day 2, and I've learned this much, and the end of the day, you can see how much I've learned. You can see it in the video. I am not commenting at all. You can see in the video how much progress I've done in just 2 days. If I can learn, you can learn too. You can see how easily, how fluently I'm actually playing with the nunchucks. Anytime you tell me it's been few days, I'm producing video after so many days. But you can see the flow. You can see the smoothness of how it was from the day 1 to the day 2. So this is the kind of videos that I'll be making henceforth from now on. There will be a lot of DIY videos, and there will be a lot of skill videos. There will be a series of videos of the DIY and the different projects that I'll be taking. Right now it is only about DIY and learning new skills. New skills will have a series from 1 to 100. I'll try to upload travel videos as well. If you like those videos, if you like these videos, comment down what are the videos that you like and I should be making in the future. If you see my previous videos about making palette, it had reached 70k views. That is too much for a new YouTuber like me. And if you like videos like that, let me know. I'll try to make more series on that. And if you like this series where I do a lot of skill videos, if you want me to do that, do let me know down in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.